Hi, my name is Delaney Ball, and today we will be replacing the front wheel on the Razor MX350. This is an easy process. It should take about 10 minutes from start to finish. You will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver and a 15mm open-end wrench. This process can be completed in 4 easy steps. Step 1, remove the fork covers. Step 2, remove the front wheel. Step 3, install your new front wheel. And step 4, reinstall the fork covers. Let's get started on step 1, removing the fork covers. As with working with any electric product, make sure you turn it off before you begin. There are 2 screws securing the fork cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws. With the 2 screws removed, the fork cover comes straight off. Make sure you set it somewhere safe so you don't lose it. Now we're going to do the same process on the other side. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws. With the 2 screws removed, pull it straight off and place it somewhere safe. That concludes step 1, removing the fork covers. Now on to step 2, removing the front wheel. There are 2 nuts securing the front wheel. Using your 15mm open-end wrench, remove the 2 nuts. Remove the nut, followed by the tab washer, and place them somewhere safe so you don't lose them. Now let's do the same for the other side. Remove the nut, followed by the tab washer, and place them somewhere safe. Now we can remove the wheel by pulling it straight up and out of the frame. That concludes step 2, removing the front wheel. Now on to step 3, installing your new front wheel. Take your new front wheel and remove the nuts and the tab washers. Now slide the wheel straight into the frame. Now slide on the tab washer with the tab going into the hole, followed by the nut, and do the same process for the other side. Slide the tab washer on with the tab going into the hole, followed by the nut. Now using your 15mm open-end wrench, tighten down the nuts. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. That concludes step 3, installing your new front wheel. Now on to step 4, reinstalling the fork covers. With the longer side facing forward, place the fork cover back on and secure the 2 screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, secure the 2 screws to the fork cover. With the first side secured, now let's do the same for the other side. Place the fork cover on with the long side facing forward. Then use your Phillips screwdriver and secure the 2 screws. That concludes step 4, and the process of installing the new front wheel on the Razor MX350. If you are still having troubles, you can contact customer support at razor.com. Once again, my name is Delaney, and it's been a pleasure guiding you through this process.